From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
In the diagram, Q, R, S, and T are points on the circle of center O. Angle STR is 37 degrees and angle QRT is 59 degrees. Find angle SPR. Angle SPR. One of the things I have observed about circle theorem is that it's very easy if you have the theorems at your fingertips and if you have other theorems backing plane geometry. The answer is just staring at you in the face. The angle we are looking for is this P. And we simply know that this angle here is the sum of this angle and this angle. What's the reason? The exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. But we need to get what this angle is. How do we get this? It's from this. In circle theorem, you start with the angles you know. So if I know this angle, what can I get from this? I can get this. These two angles are equal because angles on the same base are equal from the circle theory. So angle SQR equals 37 degrees. Angles on the same segment. And so since here is 37 degrees, from what I've explained earlier, angle P is simply this plus this. Angle SPR is 37 degrees plus 59 degrees. The reason is opposite angles of a triangle equals sum of the two opposite interior angles. Sorry, exterior angles. Exterior angles. So that will be, if we sum this, we'll get 96 degrees, which is B.